Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you two activities that relate to Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Activity 1 is called the balloon race or balloon rocket. And you will need some balloons, you'll need straws, you'll need some string. Any kind of string will work. I like this coated nylon string. And you'll need gray tape. Gray tape works really well for these activities. For the balloon car, we'll also need gray tape. We'll need straws. We'll need a piece of styrofoam for the body, or you could even use a piece of cardboard. Out of this, I could use this whole size, or I could cut it into fourths and the size of like a credit card. And I could even use a credit card. I'll show you different materials. You could even use cardboard. Also, ping pong balls work really cool for the wheels. I'll show you. And you'll need a push pin or a safety pin to poke holes in for the axles. I'll show you that later. And you also need barbecue skewers. Work really nicely for the axles. Okay, for the balloon rocket, we take the balloon and we want to tape a straw on it nice and straight. Now, if you get it crooked, it will cause more friction and won't go as well, but it'll still work. But the object is to try to get it as straight as you can. And then it will look a little bit like this one. It gets crunchy. So we want to blow the balloon up a little bit to get the tape on. And we want to maybe put the tape on the straw to begin with, like that, to get it started. And then give the balloon a little puff, just like that. And then you can kind of get it on there as straight as you can. And just, now it looks nice right like that, but when you release the air, it's going to squiggle down. But you want that kind of tight, and make sure it's on there good. Gray tape works really nicely. It's pretty strong. Okay, and then we want to take our string and put it through. And the length of the string will be the length of the classroom or area that you want to have the rocket go. And so you'll pull it and make that length. And if you have races with students, you'll want to make these. And I like to wrap them on a toilet paper empty roll, and every one the same length. And that works nicely. So then they would hold this at each end and blow the balloon up. And I'll have a race and say 1, 2, 3, go. And they'll let go of their balloon. And which direction will it go? Well, the air goes out that way, the back of the balloon. So the balloon will go this way. This way. The air this way. So Newton's law. Every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Action, reaction. Before I put the straw on, I'm going to make my hole. Okay, let's use a straw. Let's see, I want to cut this one a little shorter. And I get that right to the end there. Now you don't want it too tight so that it can't rotate, but you want to be able to cut the tip off, so for safety. And now we have the two wheels. Oh, that one's really woo, 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 woo. Anyway, fun. And then we'll put the body on. Now this body's too big for this one. We'd need bigger skewers, but remember I said I was going to cut it. So let's take it over and cut it. Let's just cut a piece. And this can be cardboard or anything, even a card, something like that. And then so we want to gray tape these on here. And also, just like poking through needs to be straight, these need to be straight. If they're tilted, your car might go in a circle. Anyway, it's kind of fun to watch students do this part. So let's put some gray tape on. And I like gray tape. Glue sometimes could work, but I like good old dependable gray tape, because the glue could come break free and loose. And you can secure it with as much gray tape as you need. And there we have the bottom. All right, so now we want to attach our power. For that, we'll need a rubber band, another straw, and a balloon. And we'll put our balloon on the end. We'll put it on the sharp end. And then I like to just use a rubber band to secure it. And this is a little difficult. Because the rubber band's so big, you gotta keep going many times. One more. Okay, so that's our power, and we're going to tape the gray tape, the balloon on, and the straw onto the car. This doesn't really have to be straight, but everything straight works better. And there we have it. So we'll blow the balloon up. Hold your thumb over the straw, place it down, and the air will rush out where my hand is, the back, and it will go towards the balloon. And it hit my scissors. One, go!
Oh my God!
Haha! All right.
Okay, are you ready? Wow, you got lots of air in that.
好大哦，这么多。
All right, here we go.